but their parents didn't allow. And then that's I'm interested with his strength in good editor and making short video, and he also a YouTuber from assistant Ria Ricis. The name is Wildan Alfiansa maybe, and he also worked with Ria Ricis. He as assistant and as editor. Yes, and then part 2, giving opinion. The first question is the difference between fiction and non-fiction books. Fiction books means about imagination. This content the result of this content about imagination from the writer, but for non-fiction books is the data is real and it can be responsibility. Yes, it can be responsibility, and not all people can do this. And for example, like this public speaking. And for fiction, it can, for example, from fiction book is about novel, cerita pendek, yes, something like that. And then the question number 2, do you think people read more? Do you think people read more books today than they did in the past? I think no, because as we know in this era, many of people has control by their mobile phone, and he forget to read the books. Whereas to read the books, we can have many knowledge, we can have new knowledge. Yeah, and when we talk with other people, we have pandangan yang luas. But in this era, so many people has control by their mobile phone, and so I think education will number 2 than their mobile phone, and and just a little bit people read the book. Yes. The question number 3, why do people prefer some e-books? I think because if we read by e-books, it is simple. We can read by mobile phone, and mobile phone we can bring everywhere. But if we read book by paper, which is 5 books or 6 books, and it is complicated. So that's why people prefer read by ebooks, because simple then read by paper. From read books, there are read books 5 books or more. And then the last question, do you think paper book will one day disappear? I don't think so, because if the paper book will disappear, so there is no library in Indonesia, and Indonesia people will have less knowledge. Yes, I think, and nobody people will go to library to read book. Yes, I think something like that. Yes, thank you for my story. I'm sorry. Thank you for my explanation, and I hope you understand what I say. And Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and forgive me if I have a mistake. Thank you.